doing a little vlog today. Last night I was thinking I really missed filming and editing, and recently I've just been not doing anything with my time. Nothing creative is ever happening with me, and it's been really sad. I just wanted to have a habit, some sort of outlet again. And then of course I stayed up until like 2 a.m. and this morning I didn't want to film, so we're starting a little late. So we are going to Target for the main purpose of picking up a super cheap stroller because I want to go to the mall, but I'm not holding Ben the whole time, and he's also very new to walking, so we wouldn't make it really anywhere. But his stroller that we have right now, it's got a squeaky wheel, it's super loud, and the last time we walked around in the mall and had the stroller, it was really embarrassing, and I just don't really feel like having that experience again. So I'm just gonna go see if I can find like a $20 stroller. I know they have some, so hopefully they have some in stock. Otherwise, I'm probably gonna put the carrier on and just walk holding Ben like that. These are so cute. I don't know what part of me thought I could just buy a stroller and put it together, but I don't have scissors, so we are carrying today. Also, it's super busy today, so the mall is packed full of people, and so is Target, so it took a lot longer than I was expecting. But yeah, we're stopping here at Carter's first to pick up some pants for Ben. Okay, so when we went to Target, I got two other things besides the stroller for our little credenza over there. We've got like two trees that don't look good, and then it's just not working. So I got some taper candles finally to go in those little candle holders, and then I got two of these. I do have a vase that I can put them in, so I'm hoping this will look a lot better than the two trees that don't look very good. They don't fit. I think I like the greenery, but the candles were too big for the candle holders, so I'm gonna have to return those and get some that fit. But what do you guys think of the greenery? I think it looks fine. It definitely looks better than the old trees. I'm doing a quick little touch up because we're going out. EJ had a headache pretty much all day, but now he's ready to go out. So we're gonna go get some dinner with Ben at a place called Steak and Shake. It's just like a little diner. And then if we have some time afterwards, then we're gonna go to World Market. I went there today with Ben, but since EJ didn't get to go, I thought it would be fun to kind of walk around. And also, it's one of our traditions to get one ornament per person every year for Christmas, and I saw some really cute ones there, so I wanted to see if we could find one that we would want for this year. This is the fit. I'm throwing on a little bomber jacket because it's a little bit colder now that it's nighttime, but we are ready to go. I got a Kit Kat milkshake. So I found all of these, and this one looks like it would fit the candle holders that I have. And then these little dot things are supposed to help keep the candle in place. These are the ornaments we got. This one is mine, and then this one is EJ's, and this one is Benji's. I'm really hoping that these fit. Ta-da! They fit! Yay! I think that looks pretty good. Look at those lights, or the candles. I'm happy with it. That was the Neutrogena Acne Stress Control Toner. And then this is a new Heart Leaf Toner. And then I'm doing a bit of mixing bean cream. Then some beef tallow, just about that much. This is the Grand Lash Serum. And then last but not least, a little bit of the Laneige Lip Sleeping Balm. Nighttime skincare is done. I'm going to do my hair care routine. That was the SGX NYC Blaze Heat Protection Primer Spray. I love this stuff. It smells so good. I actually don't know if it does anything for me, but it smells pretty good. Now I'm just going to brush it out so it's not super tangly. And then I'm going to part it. I'll always part it down the middle. I don't always wear it in the middle. Sometimes I'll wear it on the side, but I'll always start with it parted in the middle. This is the last step. I will take a clip, small little clip like this, and I'll just section off this hair and then kind of pump it up. It looks really silly, but I just want my hair to be able to cool off in the volumized form. To be able to hopefully keep the volume. So that is my hair care routine done. I am going to end the vlog here. I had a wonderful day taking you guys around town with me and talking to you and spending time with you again for the first time in a really long time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and hopefully there will be more frequent vlogs now, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.